Garga Samhita, of course, is a bona fide shastra, and as far as we understand, and it's said to be spoken, and maybe written, I can't say, but by Garga Rishi. Garga Rishi is in Krishna's lila. He gave him his name. In the name-giving ceremony of Krishna, Gargacharya, Garga Rishi, was called there, and in the Goshala, secretly and privately, he named Krishna and Balaram. So the it's a very ancient book. As far as Brijvasis go, you may know, especially now because you're living with one, the Brijvasis, their Brijvasi vichar. Vichar means their consideration. Vichar, their thought, their viewpoint. Is that this is a very important, very, very important book to them, to Brijvasis. Why? Because it speaks a lot about their Ishtadev, about Krishna. Many, many beautiful and wonderful lilas of Krishna. And his childhood lilas in Gokul and other places. And there's a certain amount of Aishvarya in it also, about Siddhaloka and many things. I've read the book, I'm familiar with it. So there's some Aishvarya and some Madhurya, and it's very nice and very, very nice book. However, and so for them, they have very high regard for the Garga Samhita. One friend of mine, he was a very old gentleman, he lost his eyes. He went blind when he was old. His name was Ram Sarup Goswami, Radhakund Vasi. And he used to, when I lived at Gopal Mandir, Manipur Gopal Mandir, for 10 years, on 94 to 2004 when I moved here, he was come every day in the afternoon, especially in the summer hot time. Gopal Mandir, very cool there in front of the deities. Very thick walls, so it'd be cool, even though outside hot. And the fan would be on. He would sit there when Gopal was sleeping, and one Brijvasi relative, maybe his grandson or so, he would sit there and lean against the altar, and he was blind, and he would listen to the narrations every day of Garga Samhita. So I would come and sit sometimes and listen.